Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our 15-foot Montauk. We brought this 150 in platinum gray with a black rub rail with a chrome insert. It's on a trailer, has a spare tire. We'll go through a couple of the options. It does have the bimini top, has low profile rails. It is rigged for a trolling motor forward. This boat does have the fishing package option and the live well in the back. The 60 horsepower Mercury outboard is standard. This boat does have the 7-inch Simrad. The flip seat, get a better look at it. Very good looking boat. It is here in our showroom. It's available. Any questions, please call us or email us or stop in and see us. Thank you.